Hi y'all, this is me Milton, and I was just gonna show y'all how I got headphones from Ps4 Headset, and it's pretty lit. I wanted to tell y'all I had to get a whole new controller because this one had broke. It got wet somehow. So I'm gonna open this. This is the headset, the lit headset. I hope it's red because it'll match this. Lit. And this is so just say gaming headset. Excellent. And this is just the instructions. How to set it up and stuff. And how it connects. And you see that this is this is how you power it on, and this is how you turn up the volume and stuff. And you speak into this. I will plug this part into the Ps4 controller, and then this is, I guess, how you charge it. And yeah, I am going to test these out with my homies. And oh wait, this joint goes out, extends, and doesn't turn nothing. Be careful with that if y'all get these kind, because you don't want to break them. Put them on. I guess I can hear it from like that, but and then you know how you do these. Actually, this is not what you're speaking to. Oh, wait. So let me turn on my Ps4 and pause in a little while. Ps4 and test it. Alright. Let me know when to start.
I started.
Okay, so I'm low in Fortnite because this is one of the best games to communicate with your homies. Alright, I don't know if my homie's going. What's goody, homie? See if I can hear her.
You gotta talk loud so people hear you.
She's still playing? Alright. I'm gonna leave the game. I'll play later. I don't see nobody. I'm gonna just start the game. I know. Take a while. Okay, now it's loading. Y'all know how Fortnite works. Oh shoot. Watch your mouth. Yeah, these are good quality. I'm making a video, homie. It's a YouTube video. I just got these headphones. And only one headphone works. Right? I can't tell. No. I don't know why it doesn't work. I mean, one headphone works.
You can't hear out of both?
Huh? My mom ordered them from
Amazon.
Amazon.
but they're
Yeah.
from Blue somebody.
No, she can't hear you. Wow. The homie said hi.
Tell him I said hello.
You heard her?
Is he playing the game too? Where is he at?
Yeah. I left the homies. Well, I got one person coming to me. Of course, you grabbed the chest I was getting. Oh, Lord. That's a bad way to start. I'm gonna need some help. No, it's one of those. You still in the air?
She died.
I'm about to die. I'm at 76 health. The homie is close by. RJ, I'm close to RJ. I don't know. Nah, he's just playing RJ Flynn. Didn't make it yet. I got my old. You can look up my old one. It's just Milton Wise. Yeah, the one with my face on it. Some dude saved me finally. LOL. Let me go get a weapon. Scared me. What? Oh, you watch My Hero Academia? You already... Oh, you watching my video. Yeah, that's the right one. If I still had that phone. Drew Izuku and Oshako. LOL. It's from that show. Search 7 ammo boxes. Mom, the video is probably long, so.
Well, then sign off. Say something to say goodbye.
Alright, so word. Like, these headphones was pretty lit. These joints is loud. They perfect for gaming. Just, if they happen to mess up like mine, like just one headphone, then
we will return them and get some other ones. Alright.
So, word.
That's it.
Peace. Stay safe. And subscribe, like, and you already know. Stop it.